Transparency in supply chains are a challenge. Participants miss an overview of where their goods are. They pay high logistic costs, are drowned in paperwork and formalities, don't have accurate information of the steps in the supply chain, and miss transparency, which leads to corruption and fraud. We believe that real-time information about custodianship and accountability will improve trust for key actors in the supply chain. And we are about to provide exactly this with Track and Trust. There are several actors within a supply chain: the organizer, a supplier, one or more transportation services, and the receiver. The organizing party initiates the shipment event. Once this is created, a supplier agrees to provide the goods to be shipped. Once the goods are ready for pickup, they are handed over to the logistics provider, who is responsible for shipping the goods to the next actor, which could either be another logistics provider or the receiving entity. For each change of responsibility, we created a cryptographically secure handover logic that documents the transfer of responsibility from one actor to another. What makes Track and Trust unique is that it offers traceable accountability. All actors can see the current step of the shipment. Handover documentation is cryptographically valid. Transfer of ownership is transparent, so one can derive who was responsible for the shipment at which point in time. Track and Trust was designed for the humanitarian supply chain. However, it can adapt to any supply chain use case. Track and Trust will soon provide offline functionality for areas without a stable infrastructure by integrating a 5G mesh network. The Track and Trust system sports two parts. First, a web app that shows an overview with pending actions and status updates, and then a mobile application for signing transactions. The web app also shows a detailed overview of shipments. On the shipment detail page, the actor can change the status of the shipment and initiate the handover to the next actor. Initiating a handover is confirmed and signed on the Track and Trust blockchain via the mobile application. Track and Trust ran tests with different adopters. The feedback was extremely positive. Traceability of the goods will put organizations in a unique position to prove, for instance, the quality of foods and beverages towards consumers. We would like to thank our partners for supporting Track and Trust on its way to become a sustainable and leading supply chain solution.